50-gallon water heater, no shutoff valve. Shut the water off at the main to disconnect the fixture. I had to stab and poke the hose bib to get the water heater to drain out. Excess amount of calcium buildup. Remove the relief valve, got the water going. Install the main water shutoff. Remove the water heater that's in a confined space. Using the belt trick here, replace the gas shutoff. Install the new tank. Customer provide parts. A lot of upgrades and code violations are needed. The customer just want to get the hot water going. Reconnect the gas line. Reconnect the supply lines. Everything's connected. Turn the water on. Flush out a little bit of that air. Get it going. The customer's neighbor has a tankless versus tank.